Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs some serious features, the Max 1B. This isn't just a toy, it's marketed as a professional quadcopter, and looking at the specs you can see why. Right off the bat, the camera system is impressive. It boasts 4K HD video capture, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. This is crucial for getting smooth, stable footage, even when the drone is moving or dealing with wind. For anyone serious about aerial videography, a 3-axis gimbal is a must-have, and it's great to see it included here. Underneath, it's powered by brushless motors, which are standard on more capable drones. They provide better efficiency, power, and longevity compared to brushed motors, leading to a more stable and responsive flight experience. Flight control is made easier with its dual positioning system. Outdoors, it uses GPS for precise positioning and hovering. Indoors, or in areas where GPS isn't available, it switches to optical flow mode, still allowing for stable hovering at a fixed point. This flexibility means you can fly it in more environments. It also includes convenient features like one-key takeoff and landing, simplifying the initial steps of flight. Safety is a big focus with the Max 1B. It features a 360-degree intelligent automatic obstacle avoidance function. This is a modular design, meaning you can attach or remove the obstacle avoider based on your needs. During flight, it's designed to detect obstacles in all directions and automatically maneuver to avoid them, protecting the drone from crashes. This obstacle avoidance works in conjunction with its intelligent return to home function. Using GPS positioning, the drone records its flight path and can return to its takeoff point automatically. The combination of GPS return to home and flexible obstacle avoidance provides a dual layer of protection, significantly reducing the risk of losing the drone. The range on this drone is quite remarkable. It offers a remote control distance of up to 3,000 meters and, importantly, a graphic transmission distance of up to 3,000 meters as well. This is achieved through a 5G Wi-Fi system and a repeater built into the remote control, which helps enhance the signal for a longer and more stable connection between the controller and the drone and for getting that live video feedback to you. Powering all of this is a high-density lithium battery. It's a drawer-type modular design, making it easy to swap out. The battery has a large capacity of 7.6 V and 3,400 milliamp hours, providing a flight time of up to 26 minutes. This is a decent flight time for a drone in this class, allowing for a good amount of time in the air to capture footage or explore. The battery also provides real-time status updates, so you know how much power you have left. Overall, the Max 1B appears to be a feature-rich drone aimed at adults looking for something beyond a basic beginner model. With its 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal, long range, impressive battery life, and advanced safety features like 360 obstacle avoidance and GPS return to home, it certainly seems to offer a lot for its potential users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.